Looks good. Alright, it's 4 a.m. in the morning. Me and Mariko are getting ready to go on a little trip through Europe. First we're gonna fly to Istanbul, then we're gonna fly to Athens, and then we're gonna fly to Rome. It's Mariko's first trip. We almost didn't sleep, so we're very tired, but also very excited. So I don't think you can even see me. You're right. So yeah, we're gonna take you along with us. It's our airplane. Alright, we made it to Istanbul finally. It's really warm here compared to the Netherlands, and it's so different here. It's like a completely different world to what we're used to. And yeah, first thing we want to do is get some food. We're both really hungry. Alright, we found our meal. I'm Dutch, so I'm gonna eat this delicious bread with cheese and meat and I don't know what else. And Mariko wants to try some kebab and rice and this bread. And we're not sure how it works, but we'll figure it out. I'll try this kebab bread thing out. Oh, it's very hot. This looks very good, yeah. Looks good. Tastes good. Tastes kind of like a pizza. Pizza bread. Yeah, not bad, not bad. After stuffing ourselves with Turkish meat, we want to see if we can take a look inside the Taksim Square Mosque. So I just went inside this mosque, and it was actually my first time inside a mosque, and it was really impressive. Especially if you look at the city over here and it's super busy and noisy, and then you come inside the mosque and it's completely quiet and serene. It's really amazing, and yeah, I don't know what to say. It's completely different from a church or everything else that I've seen. We didn't really have that much time to go anywhere this late in the day, so we just decided to explore the neighborhood. So this is a little cat house. There are so many wild cats and dogs around Istanbul. It's really interesting. And if you look over here, you can see the people left some cat food or dog food. So cute. And the Taksim Square Mosque looks even better at night. And we made it back to the Taksim, whatever this place is called, square. And the mosque looks absolutely beautiful. but I'm absolutely broken. I'm so tired. I think you can see on my face, on my hair, it's so hot here. So this marks the end of the first day in Istanbul. And tomorrow we're gonna visit all the nice places and of course take you guys along with us. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. This day was a little bit short since we had a long flight, but the next few days are gonna be absolutely amazing. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next videos.